Isha.
Hi.
Can you explain Kubernetes in layman language?
Sure. Let's say you have a kitchen with multiple chefs, each cooking a different dish. Now, chefs here represent the software components or the processes which are responsible for running each individual component in your web services, such as web servers or databases and other services. Dishes here represent specific software applications and services which you want to inbound in your web servers. And kitchen here represents the whole environment, software environment, where all the work is being done. So Kubernetes acts like the head chef, which is responsible for coordinating and managing all the other chefs, that is the software components or the processors, enabling them that they are working correctly and cooking correctly, and everything runs smoothly in the kitchen, that is the software environment. It also adds up adding these chefs when needed, replacing them when they can't cook, and ensuring that the food is being delivered to the customer smoothly without any delay or mishap. Thus, Kubernetes helps in managing the applications much easier way.